My name is Thomas Schmeltz. I've been at Blue Line Aviation for a little bit over 3 years now. Before coming to Blue Line, I didn't know anything about aviation whatsoever. My stepbrother has lived down here in the Raleigh-Durham area for about 20 years now. I had gone flying with him a couple of times and just loved it. He was just like, well, I've got this friend that owns this flight school. And then shortly after, we had an agreement, and that allowed me to expand my knowledge and really understand what this world is all about. As I'm able to build relationships with potential students, it's really rewarding to see them go from wherever they're at in their life in this moment and to help them build a career. So I was motivated to join the career pilot program because I was ready for a new challenge. What I'm most looking forward to through this journey is continuing the relationships with the students that I've worked with to get them here, and then just really excited to get moving in a new career direction and seeing where that takes me.